okay, this says, first 5 terms, and I got a footnote. They're going to tell me where I start counting from. And I want to start counting from the number 1. So let's write this down. So A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. The first thing I notice is the beginning factor is -1 to a power. So I'll write that down. I'll put the power down later. And again, I hope these are very simple computable numbers. Now, if n is 1, I would get 0. Then I get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do the sign. It's going to be sine of an angle. And we'll compute that number next. So what do you get? Well, it's going to be pi n over 4, and if we're starting at 1, that would be pi over 4. Now, if I go to 2, I would get 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2. Then I go to 3, I'd get 3 pi over 4. And if I go to 4, I would just get pi, because 4 pi over 4 is pi. And if I go to 5, you get 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. Relatively simple computational numbers. I'll do, I'm going to say slowly go through it. I want to do that -1 to the power first. So I'm going to get 1, I'm going to get -1, I'm going to get 1, I'm going to get -1, I'm going to get 1. So it's alternating. Let's do the sign now. And the sine of pi over 4, it's simple. It's 1 over root 2. The sine of pi is 1. We'll simplify later. The sine of 3 pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. And the sine of pi is 0. And the sine of 5 pi over 4 is -1 over root 2. Well, let's simplify. This is 1 over root 2. This is going to be -1. This will be 1 over root 2. This will be 0. And this will be -1 over root 2. Let's get the red pen out, see how we did. Did I get the first term, 1 over root 2? I did. Did I get the second term of -1? I did. Did I get the third term of 1 over root 2? I did. Did I get the fourth term to be 0? I did. And the last term they asked me for, -1 over root 2. Things are looking fine. Time to move forward. Thank you.